Let me tell you something no one told me when I was just starting out. If you think that you need to have like thousands and thousands of followers, 10,000 followers, 100,000 followers, it's not true. You don't need it. If you think that you need to be tech savvy and know all the softwares and how to navigate everything, you don't need that. And if you think that you need to be an expert at something with years of building that skill set, then again, let me stop you right there. You don't need any of these three to create your own product. You just need to have solved one problem. If you know how to solve one problem in any area of your life, or if you have solved that for yourself, you are qualified to create a digital product. See, I'll be very honest with you. The first time that I had heard the term digital product was after creating a digital product, because when I created my product, I didn't know it was called a digital product. I didn't overthink it, because had I known that I was creating a virtual or a digital product, I would not have created it, because I just created something to solve a problem someone was asking me for, and I just thought it can help more people, so I made it available such that more and more people can get it, and I made it extremely affordable to do that. It was all something that I just did because someone asked, and I thought, why not create it to just test. I didn't know I was creating a digital product. I didn't know that I needed to be a tech expert to do that, or an expert at all of these amazing things before I could create that masterclass, to be very honest. But when I created it, when I launched it, it changed my whole perspective and my whole life, because it showed me the power that a digital product had when it comes to reaching multiple people. I was in an agency back then. We could service a limited number of people with the number of people I had in my team and my limited time. Like at one point, we were serving 8 to 10 clients, no more than that, because for that, I needed to expand the team. I had no time in my day, and that is something I was struggling with at that time. That's the reason I created this product, because some people were asking me for help, but I had no time to do it 101. So I just created a masterclass. If you have been an OG here, you would know it was called Hashtags Masterclass, launched back in 2019 or 2020, I guess. And the results were epic. It showed me that more and more people can be helped via a product that I created without me being involved in giving them the solution. Thus, I could keep it affordable, as well as I could keep it accessible to hundreds and thousands of people. It doesn't mean that I sold my first product to thousands, but no, in the first 5 days of selling it, I made 75,000, which is not a realistic result, to be very honest, because this happened because I already had an audience. Somewhat, like by audience, I mean I had less than 1,000 followers, but I had started creating content. People were asking me questions. It was a different era of Instagram. So this happened, and a lot of my clients also wanted help with this topic. So this is not typical, because after that, I've created products that have not sold, like not made me 75K in the first 5 days. And I had to literally navigate and learn and unlearn a lot on this journey, because I didn't know digital products and how they worked. But once I tasted the impact and the results that they had, there was no stopping me. And I just got started in learning this and learning how to do this for myself. Cut to now, we've helped thousands and thousands of people with our 10 plus digital products that we've launched in the last 4 years. But over and above that, we've also helped thousands of people create their own digital product without being an expert, without having 10,000 followers or more, or any number like that, and without being an expert in technology and software. So, if you have this question in your mind, if I can create digital products, or are they for me, or who can really create it, let's find out. That's what I'm going deeper into today's video. Awesome. So, I have categorized this into three independent buckets. Number one is if you have figured something out. That doesn't mean that again you need a degree. You don't need a degree. You don't need to have years of experience, or you don't need to be a genius in any field for this. To be honest, you just need to be a few steps ahead. Meaning, if you figured something out for yourself, maybe you were struggling with something, maybe that was packing lunch for your child, or losing weight after pregnancy, or gaining weight, like how can your kid gain weight who's not like growing healthily, or maybe organizing your home better, or landing freelance clients online, or any such thing. If you figured something out for yourself and you've solved a problem for yourself, you can actually convert that into a product. Like I have students, one of whom is raising her kids abroad, but she wants to instill the values, the culture of her home country into them, because she grew up here, they are growing up there. She wants to ensure that they don't feel disconnected to their culture, to their religion, to various practices that she was doing as a kid. So she created a product based on her experience with her own children to teach them more about her deities, her culture, festivals, and more. So she packaged into a beautiful visual book that more parents can use to ensure that their children can learn about it, but in an interesting way. So, this is one problem one of my students has solved. Now, the second bucket here is if you've been a service provider, a freelancer, or any business owner in the past or currently. Like, a lot of people want to create products as a side source of income along with what they are doing, whether that's a job or that's a business. So if you've done something in the past as a job, as a business, or are doing it currently, you already have a skill set that you're utilizing. You already have a process. You could be a yoga teacher, you could be a graphic designer, a content writer, a social media marketer. There could be n number of services that you have done or are doing. It means you already have a system, you already have a process. You just need to productize it. Whatever services you were providing, you need to pick your process and make it into a product that's consumable and that someone can utilize to achieve a specific result that other people were doing with your services. So that's all you need to do. Like, I have a student of mine who utilized her graphic design services and ended up creating carousel template bundles. In 1 year, she's already made 3 lakh plus selling her product. So, which is a side source of income for her. She already has her graphic design clients and sells those services, but she created this as a passive income source where she can actually bring in the money. Her skill set that she already got can bring in the money without having her to show up on a daily basis and do the work as she does for her clients. Another one of my students is actually into nutrition and she's about to launch. She's created uh, a product around diabetes and she's converting her process that she uses with her clients for people to actually prevent diabetes as well as reverse it once they get it. So, again, a really cool product that a nutritionist is creating to scale her business without her direct involvement. So, you can do it too. Number three is teacher. If you have been a teacher, a mentor, or if you are passionate to help people, like you, if people come to you for help, if your friends come to you for advice on a particular domain, you already have a skill set, you already have a zone where you've helped people in the past or are currently doing it, and this is your zone of genius. Again, you don't need a degree in it. If there's a problem you've been consistently solving for your friends, that's a problem you can pick and solve for your audience and your clients as well. And you don't need to be the best at it. You just need to be a few steps ahead and having a clear solution in your mind when you start creating your product. I have a student of mine who is a new mom who used to create, who still creates, by the way, yummy and nutritious recipes for her child who is really small, but it's very healthy for the child to give them that so that the nutrition is balanced. At the same time, it's super easy to create that recipe. So her friends used to come and ask her for these recipes when they saw her child loving them, eating them, and growing really healthily. They reached out, and that's how her expertise was born. She started helping people. She started realizing that this is something she really finds interesting and is good at. So she packaged 100 plus recipes together into a recipe ebook for moms who actually want to give nutritious food to their babies, their toddlers, but are not able to because of a lack of time. So she is giving them everything with her product, which was born out of an expertise because people were asking her for a solution. So if you've ever helped someone, taught someone something, or solved some problem for someone, given them a solution, you qualify for creating your digital product. So, what does it actually take to create a product? Just these three ingredients: a problem that you've solved for yourself or others or both, a process or an experience that you're willing to share for someone who's struggling with this particular problem. So, this is interconnect. This is your process, your experience that has brought you here where you are today. And the third is just messy action. That's correct. You don't need perfection. You don't need fancy tools. You don't need expensive software. Let me tell you, you can start creating your product for free by using free tools that are available online, provided you are willing to take messy action. Because your product will become better and better once you let it out there. But if you keep overthinking it, if you keep bringing perfection in the loop, you're not going to go ahead. So this is a must. If you have one and two, just press the accelerated pedal on three and you'll be unstoppable. So I'm sure that this video gave you a direction of thought whether you are interested in creating a product or not, or if this field is for you. And more importantly, what is it that you can pick and create a product on? If you're confused with your niches, like maybe you're interested in something but not sure you could create a product around it, just drop your niche or drop your domain below, and I'll give you a couple of ideas to get you started to think in that direction. Not to say that go create this, because there is a process to this madness for which you have to do a couple of simple things to just ensure that the product that you will pour a lot of heart and soul and work into will actually work for you. So if you want to just get ideas, to get creativity, comment the niche below. And if you need help with how to put a method to this madness, that is what exactly to do, how to ensure that you can check the demand if people will be buying your product, how to name your product if people will be buying your product or not, how to price it, how to sell it daily, all of that, if you need help with, or if you need a direction, you can check out Passive Income Kit. It's my 15-step simple action plan that you can follow. In the next 30 days to 8 weeks, you can launch your digital product depending upon the time that you are willing to give it. It's not difficult. It's simple, provided you just follow and take the steps that I have for you. So check out the link in the description if you're interested. No pressure. And either ways, I would highly recommend, always say that everyone should have a digital product of theirs. So for now or later, but definitely give this a thought. What is something that you're an expert at? What is something that you've solved or helped someone do? Because that is where your digital product will be born and will create magic in the world. So if you like this video, make sure to tell me in the comments. Make sure to tell me your niche in the comments, or if you've already started creating your product. And of course, if you'd like to come back for more, because that's what I'm planning to create on this channel, a lot of value for you and a lot of different things that will help you on this journey, then you can hit the subscribe button as well. I will see you soon.